My name is Palak and today I am explaining about my project face mask detection using machine learning and OpenCV. As you know that for the face mask detection we use OpenCV. So OpenCV is the open source library which is used to image processing and computer vision. So for this project, first of all we install OpenCV library in this project module. So here you see that library is installed in the image. Now we import the OpenCV library. Also we import NumPy library. NumPy is used to working with arrays in the Python. Now as we all know that images are in the form of pixel. So using IAMRead method we read our sample image, then print it out. So it returns the three-dimensional array which is the value of pixel for this image. Here you can see the 3D array value of pixels in the output. Now we will find the height and width of the image. So using shape method we can find the height and width of the image. So in this output you can see 3 is the third value. So 3 is basically represent the color channel present in the image. So here our image is in the form of RGB. So it represents 3. Here we import the matplot library. Matplot library is basically used to plotting the images, graphics and etc. So we import this library to plot our image. Now we have tried to plot our image. You see that we have plotted our image. Now we have tried to display image in new window. For that here I have created while loop. In the while loop we have shown this image using show method. Now we use wait key method to destroy the window. In the code you can see the 27. So 27 is basically ASCII value of escape. So when you press the escape key it destroys the new window. Here you can see the result of image in the new window. When I press this key escape, it destroys the window. For this project, I have used frontal face data of R-Cascade. R-Cascade is a machine learning based approach where a lot of positive and negative images are used in the train the model. So I use this R-Cascade classifier data. You can find this link in the description below. Now I use built-in method of R-Cascade of detect multiscale which detect the face from the image. You can see the array value of image which is for the face. Now in this while loop use detect multiscale method to detect the face from the image. Using rectangle method we can draw a rectangle on the perfect face. The method takes 4 arguments. The first value is the image, then other 2 value is the point of the rectangle, then next value is the color of the rectangle, and the last value is the thickness of the rectangle. As you know about that, when we press the escape it destroys the window. Now we time to get the data of without mask. So we run this command, following command, where we use a while loop where capture read method which read the faces data and store in the faces which detect the our face from our image. Then we using rectangle method to draw a rectangle on our face, and also we can use resize method to resize our image data. Then we add condition which take only 200 images, then automatically it stops the while loop. So now we run the command, this command which generates 200 images. As you know that it takes 200 images. Now time to get the data of with mask. So we repeat the same procedure again, but now we put the mask on the face. So now I run this command. Again it takes 200 capture frames. Now in the new file, first of all we import both the library NumPy and CV2 which is used for this project. Then we load the both file which have images of with mask and without mask. Using load method we load the both the file. Here we use shape method. It mentions the number of images, dimension of the images and the color channel present in the images. Now we will reshape our images using reshape method. After reshaping, when we call our shape method, it displays the new size of the images, where 200 is the images represent in the data. Using np.r method, we concat the rows of both the file with mask and without mask. Now when we again call our shape method, you see the output where in the first value 400, where 200 images are with mask and 200 images are without mask. Now we will label with without mask with 0 and with mask with 1. Now we have know about machine learning part of our this project. So now with here we import sklearn library. So with the help of sklearn we can train and the test of our model. With the help of it, we train test the model by mentioning them the size of the train size and the test size, and then again we shape our model. When we calling our shape method, you see that the 7500 in the output. It is very huge number which represent the columns available in our data. So we have to reduce using a reduce dimensionally method technique. For that we import the decomposition package as a PCA. Using fit and transform method we have converted our data in the three columns. Finally, I have called my classifier which helps detect whether individual wear a mask or wearing a not mask. So in this code you already all know about all of the part in the above, like in the first CV2.video capture which capture the frames of from our webcam. Now we using while loop capture.read method which read the images from the video frame. Then using detect multiscale method which detect the faces in the images. Then using rectangle method which draws the rectangle on the images. Then we resize our image into dimension of 50 by 50. Then we predict the machine. Then we predict using machine learning model individual wearing a mask or not. Then we using put text method we display the label with mask or no mask. Then using IAMSO method we print our result. So now we run this code. So as you know, see that in the output I am currently I have no mask, so it displays the no mask on a face. Now I am try to wearing the mask. As you know that when I wear the mask it displays the text like a mask. So finally we have done our project. So I have also mentioned this project link in the description below of GitHub repo. So thank you very much all of you.